I'm going to show you how to work 2-stitch right and left leaning cables without using a cable needle to create this honeycomb effect. The first cable I want to do is a right leaning, so I go into the second stitch in the front without touching the first stitch and knit that. Without taking them off, stitches off the needle, go into the first stitch and knit that, and that creates a right leaning cable. Now I'm going to show you a left. So from the back, go into the second stitch from behind the work, knit that without losing stitches, come round to the front, knit the first stitch and take that off, and that is your left leaning.